Hi, it's the day for ExpertVillage. Today we're going to make some stuffed mushrooms with ham and shrimp. Okay, now we have the shrimp mixed in. You can see they're already turning pink. And what we're going to do now is add the flour to it, a little thickening agent to this. This will ultimately make this a nice thick broth. So go ahead and just sprinkle some flour over the top of it. It's going to absorb this liquid that's in here. So again, we're making a smaller amount for this recipe, but you can just tell by looking at it. You wouldn't even have to measure. You can tell as you put this in and move this around. What you want to do is cook out the flour taste too, besides mixing it in. And you see how it's taking up all of the butter and all of the liquid from the ham and from the vegetables and that butter on the bottom. See, it gets pretty thick. Put it in there. Don't worry about that.